Ntombazana ungowami, ungowami, baby nekuthanda ngoba
uthando nempilo sizinikela kuwe sithandwa
usisimongo ndiyasoqoba intombi egcwele uthando inhlimile ngohlobo olumangalisayo Ntombazana ungowami, ungowami, baby nekuthanda ngoba
uthando nempilo sizinikela kuwe sithandwa
Vile lots of saying shaka nelinye igama lokubana kuthanda sithando sami sokwa kikai sokwa silahlana siphila ubomomuntu sithandana remember the first days bonana sithando sancumelana sibambana approach ukuba ngicela sithandana you are the apple of my eye you blessed with a beautiful smile thank God she's mine now I believe I can fly your heart is my sky say it's humble as how high you're my gift from God Ntombazana you the heaven sent cause we meant to be together since the day we met my gift from God Ntombazana you the heaven sent ngikholele ndizithethwayo ndibhiliva kwendimthandayo ziyake zadlulayo nansi inhliziyo wayithethayo ngona wethabathayo umzimba wona walanywayo umphefumulo nwawe nsingisele kuthando lwakho thando yikho intombi njengawe bebe yazintando
usisimongo ndiyasoqoba intombi egcwele uthando inhlimile ngohlobo olumangalisayo Ntombazana ungowami, ungowami, baby nekuthanda ngoba
uthando nempilo sizinikela kuwe sithandwa
usisimongo ndiyasoqoba intombi egcwele uthando inhlimile ngohlobo olumangalisayo Ntombazana ungowami, ungowami, baby nekuthanda ngoba
uthando nempilo sizinikela kuwe sithandwa
Thandazweni, I put you first to be my future princess. Ngamthanda lokwenene, loving you until I die. Hlale phansi nifale ingoma, it's not even about to run. It's all about to be with you, sihlale sonwabe all the time. Nkosazana uthwele umbeko nempawu zokwakha ekhaya. Wombese ngathanda ubuqu lomlisela nomthinjana. Nkosikazi kakhubone wami umama wabantwana. You and I to be in love and yes indeed siyafanelana. Reason why ndihlala ndibhala, your love is spectacular. Lwakho unqumo luzisubuyo, in my height is singular. Lengoma bubungqina enhliziyweni sistina. Never you are similar, your loving is particular. Understand I'm ngasakayo ndishiye nesizungu. Indaba yami ayilali inkungu ever since wanifulathela. Listen up ndiyakuxelela uthando lami liyaqhubekeka. Even though we're not together I'm still deeply in love.
usisimongo ndiyasoqoba intombi egcwele uthando inhlimile ngohlobo olumangalisayo Ntombazana ungowami, ungowami, baby nekuthanda ngoba
uthando